Little storyteller.
Toby skipped into Sunny Meadow Park. He had a bright blue ball and a yummy apple. He ate his apple, and then, plink, he threw the core on the grass. Toby ran off to play with his ball. The big green trees in the park looked sad. Their leaves drooped. A fluffy brown bunny hopped sadly by the apple core. Its nose twitched, but it didn't look happy. A little bluebird chirped with a worried sound as it flew past. That night, Toby had a dream. In his dream, he was back in Sunny Meadow Park. But something was different. The sad trees were picking up his apple core with their branches. The fluffy bunny was pushing a tiny wheelbarrow full of trash. The little bluebird was carrying a small piece of paper in its beak. Toby watched as the animals and trees worked hard to clean up the park. They looked tired, and a little bit grumpy. The fluffy bunny sighed as it put the apple core in its wheelbarrow. The little bluebird's chirps sounded sad. Toby felt a little pang in his tummy. He didn't like seeing the trees and animals so sad and working hard because of his mess. He wanted to help them. The next day, Toby went back to Sunny Meadow Park. This time, he brought a bright red bag with him. He played with his blue ball, and when he finished his yummy banana, he put the peel in his red bag. He saw the fluffy brown bunny nibbling on some clover. Its fur looked extra soft, and its eyes were bright. The little bluebird sang a happy song as it perched on a branch of a tall green tree. The tree's leaves looked healthy and reached up to the sunny sky. Toby smiled. He carried his red bag with the banana peel to a big green bin near the park gate. As he dropped it in, he saw a sign with a picture of a happy earth that said, "Keep our parks clean and green for everyone." Toby knew he would always remember his dream and always help keep nature happy. Did you know that trees help us breathe by giving us the air we need?
Please subscribe. Thank you.